What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm Mark. That's Maya. We got MJ ready to go. As you can see, I don't know where Babe went. There she is right there. And we are making another attempt to try to go sell some stuff today. We also got to buy clothes for us. Buy clothes for Maya for spring and summer. And we'll see what we can grab for the baby. But with that being said, man, we're going to head out. We'll see you guys at the stores, man. Let's try to sell all this old stuff for some profit. Stay tuned. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys soon. Let's go. Man, we are out here, man. We're ready to go. I got the baby with me. I got Maya with me, man. My soldiers. About to go sell some clothes, see how much profit we make. Let's go. All right, guys. We got Maya loaded up. We got the baby loaded up. The car is full of stuff. Let me show you guys what we are selling today. Boom. Bunch of clothes. We got a bassinet. Shoes, man. We have everything. We're going to sell a little bit of everything. So we're going to show you guys what we sell, how much money we made. Let's get out of here. Is Maya ready to go? Yeah, she is. She had swimming this morning. We'll show you a little bit about that.
Swimming lessons?
You know, she had her little swimming lessons today. She liked it. She stood in. She was with the big kids, right, Maya? She was with the big kids swimming, which is good. She's 5. She was with kids that were like
12.
6 to 12. So, yeah, you know the deal, man. I can't wait. Let's get out of here. Ooh, family trip today. Wasn't the greatest day. We're supposed to go to the zoo today, but
do it next weekend.
We'll do it next weekend because this weekend sucked. Another cloudy, rainy day in Massachusetts, guys, man.
We're not raining here.
She wants to tell them something.
What? You're gonna tell everybody what happened?
So it's
not raining here.
But it was, right? Right.
This morning.
Not a good day
All
for
night.
the zoo.
Not a good day for the zoo, though. So we're here, once upon a child. Just finished emptying out the car, man.
4 bags, a bassinet, a wipey warmer.
See, the car is empty. Maya's right there. Thank you for the help, Maya. Man, the car is empty. Done deal. We just dropped everything off. Now we're going to Plato's Closet. See what we can sell there. Let's see how much money we make today. So we dropped that. Close off, kids store. Now we're going across here to Plato's Closet. Honestly, we're not gonna get much at this store, but we're just gonna get rid of this clothes that we have that doesn't fit us, as you can see right there. Plato's Closet. We're here. We're gonna drop off these bags. I'm gonna get a little footage of dropping them off. You know what I'm saying? See how much they give us here. Show you the receipts,
Probably
man.
$2.
No matter what, it's profit. We don't care. See you soon. Okay. So I got the girls unpacking these bags. Maya, you gonna help Haley bring the shoes in? Let's do it, man. Let's make this money, man. Yo, babe, how much we getting here, man? How much we getting here?
$10.
$10. All right, we got 2 shoes in there. Maya coming in to help. As always, family day, family trip, family vlog, man. You know how we do it. The Mercado family, man. Let's go. And there they go. Good luck, guys. See you soon. My ladies are back empty-handed. Maya, you dropped those bags off? Here we go. We got Babe's name, the order number. We got 4 baskets, 4 bins, Plato's Closet. Got a little coupon, and we'll see how much they give us when we come back. Yeah. Hi, Maya. All done? And that's all the clothes. Ooh, back here at Plato's Closet. They're gonna run inside, go get the money, see how much Plato's Closet gave us, guys. Have fun, let me know. Come back with the cash. Come back with the cash, Maya.
Money, money, money.
My ladies are going inside to see how much we got from Plato's Closet. Let's see how much money they gave us. Stay tuned. There they come. Uh-oh. there they come. So we got some returns. We got some clothes returned. And maybe a couple dollars. Oh, no shoes. They didn't take the shoes. Look at little Miss Maya. It looks like they didn't take anything. We'll see. I see some returns. Did they take anything?
They took a whole bucket. They took the shoes. They just gave us the boxes back.
Oh, okay. They took everything?
You want to take a guess how much it was?
Nah, we'll take a guess once you sit your fat behind in the car.
Okay.
All right. It looks like we got some couple dollars coming to Daddy. Daddy gets all the money.
No.
I control all the finances.
Yeah, okay. What's he doing? Oh.
Don't worry. Come on.
Oh, he's hungry.
Let's go. We know he's hungry. So.
All right. Take a guess. How much you think?
Well, they took a lot of stuff or not a lot
They
of
took
stuff?
a lot of
Because I see
stuff.
the bag full.
They took a whole huge bin, right, Mai? Of clothes?
So my guess is, I don't know, my first time shopping here or even like selling here, so I don't know if they're cheap on stuff, but I'm just gonna take a guess because it's adult clothes. I'm gonna take a guess that with everything we sold them, they gave us like 23 bucks, not even. That's what I would say. So now don't take a guess because you already know.
So we got $68.
What? $68 from Plato's Closet? We didn't
Yeah.
even bring that much stuff. I mean, we had 2 bags, but what the hell?
And they gave a lot back, but they had a whole bin full of stuff.
$68. You
I
got
had
the
some
receipt
good
or
clothes in
no?
there. No, I don't have a receipt.
No
They didn't
receipt?
give it to me.
Damn, I want to see what they...
My lemonade.
Sure. All right. 68 bucks there. I think we got more at the kids store. The kids have more clothes, so they better get more.
Well,
See you soon.
definitely.
Back to Once Upon a Child. See how much we made here. Ooh, pull that thing. Pull that thing. Yeah, we vlogging. Maya, come on.
This walks.
Huh?
This walks.
You know that song, okay? How about Look at these boots. All right, guys, back in the car. Babe, how much did Once Upon a Child give us for the kids' clothes?
So they took like a tub and a half, and they gave us $46. But we got MJ a couple things for summer that he needs, so we spent 25 of it. So we got $20.
$20. Still on the green, still in the positive. All right, now that $20 plus the how much over there at Plato's Closet?
68.
68 is $88. Now check this out, guys. This is where it gets interesting. We just spent $100 on clothes on Maya right here. Got tons of clothes at Burlington, beautiful clothes for spring and summer. We spent $97 there. We got $88 from selling these things. Do the math, guys. We literally bought MJ stuff today. $100 on Maya, $20 on MJ, and we only spent $9 out of our pocket. So that right there is a winning haul. That right there is a winning sale. And we got a bunch of clothes that was returned, and guess what we're gonna do with it? We don't want it. We're gonna give it away. We're gonna go donate it to kids, to families that don't have clothes. That's what we're gonna go do. So stay tuned. We're gonna end this video soon. It's been a long day. We're gonna go home, eat dinner, watch some baseball. Maya's probably gonna watch her little kitty shows on YouTube.
She loves YouTube.
Man, she likes YouTube, man. She's gonna be a YouTube star.
Might see
She's
her
gonna
on
be
there one day.
running my channel. But anyways, we'll see you guys soon. We're gonna drop off this clothes at the donation spot. Show you a little bit about that and go home. So peace. What does it look like? I want you to get the the donations.
He's breathing heavy, right? You breathe like that too when you sleep. Oh, he is? He's hungry, that's why.
What? What do you want to go? Hey, look at that leaf. Look at that land. Look at that land. Look at that leaf. Look at that leaf.
So guys, as you can see, I just dropped off the clothes. They weren't there, but we still dropped them off in the boxes. Usually there's someone right there collecting the clothes, weighing it and all that, asking if we want like a form to fill out for taxes. We don't do none of that. We don't like claim these things we donate. We don't claim this on our taxes or anything. We do it from for our kindness, you know what I mean? We just do it because this is clothes that other people can use that we don't need. So with that being said, we are all done. Finally wrapping up this video for the day. It was a crazy success. Maya, say peace to everyone, man. This video's about to end, man. You already know what time it is. It's the Mercado family right here. We got all of us in the car together, man. See you in the next video, guys. I hope you enjoyed.